Exercise 7.3 formulas or formulae. Area of the important formulas, three formulas. Area of the triangle whose vertices A x1y1, B x2y2, C x3y3, 3 points, 3 vertices. Area of the triangle formula. This is the denoted by delta. Equal to, this is the formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the easy. First write x's, x. Write y. 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Series 1 2 3. First 1 2, next 2 3, next 2 take 2 2 3, next 1, next 2 complete 2, next 3, next after 1, next 2. This is the easy. delta equal to area of the triangle symbol half into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3. First write x, next to x, y minus y. This is the mod. First 1, this is the x1, 2, x2, next x3. 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. This is the series x1 into y2 minus y3 half into delta equal to half into mod. This is the mod means minus also plus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle formula, denoted by delta. Next, area of triangle. Next also area of triangle. This is the triangle. This is the area. A, B, C, vertices, 3 vertices. Area of this is the area. Next, area of triangle formula. This is the Heron's formula. This is the important Heron's formula. A equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the small a. S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Small a, small b, small c. Where this is the s equal to, this is the s, a plus b plus c by 2. S value a plus b plus c by 2. A comma b comma c are 3 sides of ABC. Suppose given points A, B, C, capital A, capital B, capital C. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. AB means the distance of AB, C, small c, separate distance, different. AC small distance small c. BC distance small a. The distance of B, C is A. Here small b means the distance of AC. Small a, the distance of BC. Small b, the distance of AC. Small c, the distance of AB. A comma b comma c are 3 sides A, B, C. BC distance A. Small a take compulsory. This is the capital A, B, C vertices. Small a, BC distance. Small b, AC distance. Small c, AB distance. 3 sides A, B, C are 3 sides of ABC. S equal to a plus b plus c by formula. First a, b, c are 3 sides of triangle ABC. 3 sides. S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Compulsory condition. S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Formula here, transform S in square root of a. This is the A means area. Area of triangle. Heron's formula. A equal to or delta equal to anyone. Area A equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Where is s? Where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A comma B comma C are three sides of ABC. A means BC distance, small b means AC distance, small c means AB distance. Next one, point A on x-axis, point A on x-axis, B on y-axis. Capital A on x-axis, this is the x-axis. Capital B on y-axis. Then area of triangle ABC equal to, this is the capital A. Take distance coordinates of small a 0. This is the small a distance. This is the small a. This is the small b distance. This is distance small. This is distance small a. Point lie on x-axis, y coordinate 0. This is distance b. Point lie on y-axis. Point lie on y-axis. Point lie on y-axis. So x coordinate 0, 0 comma b. This is the a comma 0. This is the distance a. Point a comma 0. This is distance b. Point 0 comma b. Why? Point lies on y-axis. X coordinate 0. Point lies on x-axis. X coordinate y coordinate 0. Formula half into OA into OA, half into OA into OB. OA half into OA small a. OB small half AB. Formula half AB. Half AB. Area. This is also area. This is also. This is total. This is also area. This is also area. Total area. Suppose another one. Suppose 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Suppose another point 0 comma 0. Suppose another point. The distance area of triangle formula, area of triangle equal to half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1 mod. This is the mod. Half into, suppose actually ABC, this is the formula. Suppose one point is origin, area of triangle formula half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Half mod x1 y2. This is the suppose example. Suppose one point is origin, another point is given AB. Area of triangle OAB half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Only x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute values. Suppose one point is origin, area of triangle area of triangle OAB formula half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is also important formula. 3 formulas. This one also 4 formulas important. Exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are ABC. Second problem ABC. Third problem O 0 0 0 0 AB O AB. Take ABC ABC ABC. This one 0 0 O A B. This one A B C. This one A B C O A B. Okay. Suppose this formula also correct, but this is the simple method. Origin. First given points. First problem 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 2 comma minus 4. Write x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Area of triangle ABC formula half into mod x1 into 1 2 3 2 3 1. But to x1 x2 x3 here y1 so 3 1 2 half into mod x1 2 into y2 minus y3 y2 0. Here observe y2 0 minus 1 y3 plus minus 4 minus of minus, take small bracket, minus of minus 4 small bracket plus x2 minus 1 y3 minus 4 minus y1 3 plus x3, this is the 2 y1 3 minus y2 0. This is the simplification. 2 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 4 Here plus into bracket means into, plus into minus, minus 1, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, 2 into 3 minus 0 3, 3 minus 0 3, 0 plus 4 4, 4 into 2 8, bracket means into, minus 1 into minus 7, bracket means into, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 1 into 7 7, plus 2 3 6, 8 plus 7 15, plus 6 21, play mod minus 21 also 21, this is the already plus, so 21 by 2, 10.5 square units. Area of triangle means square units, square compulsory, SQ square units. Second problem, ax1 y1 bx2 y2 same, half into a1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2, but here x1 x2 x3 y2 y3 y3 y1, so take substitute values. Half into x1 minus 5 y2 minus 5 minus y3 2 plus x2 means 3 y3 2 minus y1 minus, here observe y3 minus y1 minus 1, so small bracket compulsory, plus x3 5 y1 minus 1 minus be observe y2 minus 5 minus of minus 5, here small bracket compulsory, here small bracket, next to close bracket open bracket, small bracket open bracket, this is the mod, minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 7 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, plus 3 into minus plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 5, minus bracket means into, minus into minus plus 5 7 35, 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 3 5, plus 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1, first simplification in bracket, plus 5 minus 1 plus 4, 5 4 is 20, 3 3 is 9, total 64 by half, 64 by 2, 2 1 so 232 square units. Next one point origin OBA, this one also substitute or write simply, this one also substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y1, anyone, but here it is the simplification, it is easy, given points, so O, this one take origin, one point origin A B, area of triangle OAB, before ABC area of triangle ABC, but one point origin OAB, half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1, this is the 0 0, x1 y1 x2 y2, simply write simplification, x1 3 y2 2 minus x2 0 into y1 0 minus 3 2 6, 0 into 0 0, 6 minus 0 6, 6 by 2, 2 1 so 2 3 6, 2 1 so 2 3 3 square units. Next collinear note, important collinear points, when the area of triangle is 0, then 3 points scheduled to be collinear, 3 points scheduled to be collinear points. Area of triangle, suppose this is the area, this is the triangle ABC, suppose area is 0, suppose area is 0, no area, 0 means no area, points lie on collinear, points lie on the same line, points lie on same line, here no area of triangle 0, this is the area of triangle, it is 0, area of triangle 0. So the points are collinear. The points are no area. Suppose any distance, some distance, it is area of triangle. Here no area. Area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle is 0. Points are collinear. Points are no area. Actually, this is some area. This is some area. Suppose no area, points are collinear. 3 points are said to be collinear points. Suppose area of triangle, this is the area of triangle formula. It is, suppose find this value. Suppose this value also total 0. The points are the given points. Suppose 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Find the area of triangle. It is 0. The given points are collinear points. On the same line, suppose example, see the example. The points, 3 points are 3 points in a plane. Show that these points are collinear. Show that these points are collinear. Means area of triangle find. It is 0. So the given points are collinear points. Find area of triangle. You find area of triangle. It is 0. The given points are collinear points. Suppose not equal to 0. Suppose 1 square into 2 square. The given points are not collinear points. Suppose area of triangle is 0. Given points are collinear points. First write ABC. Area of triangle. Delta. This is the delta equal to. Write formula. Substitute the values. x1 into 3 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3 plus x2 into x2 minus 2 plus, so write compulsory x2 value minus 2, y3 minus y1, y3 4 minus y1 minus of, here observe, minus of minus 2 plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2, y1 minus 2 minus y2 8. Here observe 0 into something 0. Actually 0 into something 0. Suppose 3 into 8 minus 4 plus into minus 2 into 4 minus and minus plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 into bracket 2 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 3 4 12 minus 1 2 4 plus 2 6 2 6 12 plus 0 into minus 10 0 into plus 10 0 12 minus 12 minus 12 plus 0 minus 12 12 minus 12 0 12 minus 12 0 by 2 0 by 2 0 by 2 also 0 by 2 also 0. So the given points are, area of triangle is 0. The given points are collinear points. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Find the value of k. First 3 points given A, B, C. Here 1.3 comma k given. Find k. The given points are collinear. Collinear means area of triangle 0. Area of triangle ABC equal to 0. First given points A, B, C. Given points are collinear. Collinear means area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Area of triangle formula half into mod x1 y2 minus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Compulsory take. Why? Collinear. Already given condition points are collinear. Find k equal to 0. Substitute values half into x1 7, y2 1 minus y3 k plus x2 5 into y2 y3 means k minus y1 2 minus of minus 2 bracket, small bracket compulsory, next to bracket plus x3 3 y1 minus 2 y1 minus 2 minus y2 1 equal to 0. Compulsory half into next by 2 becomes into 2, 0 into 2. Suppose by 2 by 2 becomes 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 0, okay, next half into 2 shifted, 2 transfer, 0 into 2, next remaining right, mod 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into minus and minus plus k plus 2, 3 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0 into 2, 2 by 2 becomes into 2, 0 into 2, 0 into 2 value 0, next 7 into 1 7 minus plus into minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 into 2 10, next 3 plus into minus 3 3s 9 equal to 0, 0 into 2 0, next line this one right, next this one, next case minus 7 case around minus 7k plus 5k minus 7 plus 5 minus 2k minus 7 plus 5 minus 2k, next remaining 10 plus 7 10 minus 9 10 minus 9 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8, 10 minus 9 1 1 plus 7 8 minus 2k plus 8 equal 0, minus 2k plus 8 equal to actually mod x equal to a, suppose mod x equal to a, x equal to plus or minus a, actually this is the formula, right? Come direct here mod x equal to 0, x also 0 plus or minus 0 plus 0 0 minus 0 also 0 9, so x equal to 0 direct, right? X equal to 0, x equal to 0, actually plus or minus 0 plus 0 0 minus 0 0, so direct, right? Minus 2k plus 8 equal to 0, plus 8 becomes minus 8, minus cancel, next k equal to 8 by 2, 2 1 so 2 4, so k equal to 4, next two problems same, 8 1 k minus 4 2 minus 5, next problem k comma k 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1. In these two problems you solve, you will try after send to WhatsApp. Two problems same model, first same model, a b c given points are collinear, area of triangle ABC equal to 0, write formula equal to 0 compulsory, next to substitute the values of into k equal to, next same k comma k, same area of given points are collinear, area of triangle ABC equal to 0, substitute values, suppose k equal to 7. These two problems solve. After you solve, send to WhatsApp. Two problems, second problem, third problem, same model.